Okay, just out here at the one of the gold fields, and Nenad has kindly brought out some different VLF machines and the new Gold Monster 1000 and a few sub-gram gold.
That's your gold panning stuff.
Yeah. And inside of that, two little sub-grammers, so it's picking that up okay. And then the two rocks on the side there have a little gold specimen in them. One's a real small sub-grammer and just picking up something very slightly.
Yeah, we've only got it on sensitivity 6 because we've got this electric fence right there.
Yes. There we go. That's probably got a 0.2 of a gram inside of that. It's a reef specimen, straight out of a reef that I dug out.
Just turn it up to sensitivity 8. So that's 6. You can see 6 notches or 6 segments. 7, 8. Much better. You can hear that pulsing there.
Yes, we'd have to say they're just not even 200 metres away. There's 30,000 volt power lines here. Now those
there's
ones
one sort of just there as well.
Yeah, they're only just over here, and they're those ones that they're a big power lines on those four-legged power poles as such. So they actually pulsing out some EMIs, believe me.
You've got this little,
and I don't think you want
little specie here. How much do you reckon's in that?
Oh, that look,
0.1 if you're lucky.
If you're lucky. If you're lucky. Just picking that up, okay?
Yeah, no worries. And it'd be better again with the small 5-inch coil too.
Well, that'd be right, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, sensitivity a lot better.
So when it locks onto something solid, you can see you get full. The bars go positive. So it's pretty confident it's going to be something non-ferrous. Another good one there.
That's not to say there's that gold here.
Yeah, people could have dropped it. Another one there. Now this is in the all metal deep mode, so it is beeping on everything. So in this mode, your ferrous and non-ferrous targets basically give you the same tone. So if you want to discriminate, you've got to look at the ID scale. Another good one there. So if we want to reject iron audibly so we don't actually hear it, just press the button and yeah, it's going to knock out all our iron. Any iffy ones, just ignore. So what we've got here is we've got something ferrous here, which is in the ground, and just right next to it we've just buried a little jar of a lot of shoddy pellets.
Just see it on the side here.
Yep. So just to sort of simulate if there's a nugget next to a bit of trash. So right on this, you get a nice positive response. Same as on the junk. So if we want to get rid of the junk, we get out of deep mode So that will blank out our iron. So let's see if it blanks out the iron perfectly. Now the shoddy pellets, alright, they're coming through nice and solid. But if we're coming across this way, which in the real world you don't know what's in the ground, so what we hear is a beep and then a blank. So a beep and a blank. Now it's doing it consistently. So that should really tell us something, that we've got a good target and potentially a bad target. Now if it went beep and then just disappeared and stopped giving us that beep, we could safely walk away. So if you're ever out in the field and this happens, all you need to do is just change the orientation of your coil. So if we come across it at 90 degrees, get a nice positive hit on the lead and the ferrous target just blanks out. So now we're definitely sure we've got to dig that out basically. Whereas if you just left it as it was before, a lot of people might walk away. Alright.
Yeah, so now if we put that back to all mode, we'll pick up that ferrous, won't we? Yep, look at that. So at the end of the day, Nenad, it just goes to show if you do get some sort of a sight signal, you come around on another angle.
Yeah, and that's the same as when you're coin detecting, you know.
Yep.
Same thing. It's just different targets, still targets in the ground, and yeah. The more cleanly you can go over the good target, the better the accuracy is going to be.
Okay. So that's with the new detector, the Gold Monster 1000.